Is your Windows 11 taskbar drag and drop not working? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you are using Windows 11 and notice that drag and drop on the taskbar is not working, then you are not alone. The feature was temporarily removed in earlier versions of Windows 11 but was reinstated due to user demand. In this video, we will explore some practical solutions and workarounds to resolve this issue. Let's get started. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. The first thing you can do is restart Windows Explorer. Click Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager and navigate to the Process tab. Here, find and right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart option. Try dragging a file to the taskbar again. If it remains in the same condition, proceed to the next solution. Method 2. Manually re-enable drag and drop via Registry Editor. Click Win+R to open the Run dialog box, type regedit and hit Enter to open the Registry Editor. Navigate to the location mentioned below and look for a D-word named Undocking Disabled. If it exists and is set to value 1, double-click on it to change the value to 0 and click OK. However, if the value doesn't exist, right-click in the empty space and select New. Select D-word 32-bit value and name it exactly Undocking Disabled. Next, double-click on it, set the value to 0 and click OK. Close all Registry Editor windows and reboot the device for changes to take place. After restarting, try dragging a file to the task to test if it works. Proceed to the next solution if the issue persists. Method 3. Run SFC and DISM. Type command prompt in the Windows search and choose to run it as administrator. Click Yes when prompted by UAC. To run SFC, run this command and wait for the process to complete. SFC/scannow. Once the process is completed, run this command to run DISM. DISM/online/cleanup-image/RestoreHealth. Close the command prompt and reboot the device. After the reboot, test the drag and drop functionality. Execute the solution if you still cannot drag and drop files. Method 4. Check third-party interference. First, boot into Clean Boot. Click Win+R to open the Run dialog box. Type msconfig and press Enter. Hit the Yes button when prompted. Navigate to the Services tab and check the box. Hide all Microsoft services and then select the Disable All option to disable all third-party services. Select Apply and OK. And then go to the Startup tab. There, click on Task Manager, right-click on all the third-party services and select Disable. Close Task Manager, go back to the system configuration and close it and click on the Restart button when prompted. Try dragging a file or app to the taskbar and if it works, a third-party app or service is the culprit. To identify the conflicting app, reopen the system configuration, re-enable half of the disabled services, restart and test drag and drop. Repeat the process until the culprit is identified and then decide whether to disable or uninstall it. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.